Look at all these beautiful rounds of ammunition on the ground. Alright, let's see how many. Oakley, yeah, like, can you get in and check how many illumination rounds are loaded right now? Yeah. Wow, really? Oh my god. Okay. Okay, dude, right, help me load illumination rounds then, right? Let's get rid of all these deep PICMs, because we're not going to be using them at all. You're going to lose a lot of your equipment slots, but it shouldn't matter. We're not really going to need any ammunition and shit today, so. What we'll do is, when we need to, I'll jump out and put more rounds in. Because obviously we'll need you in there just to continue firing rounds, so, you know. It'll be high explosives. We won't need many high explosives to be honest, but we will need illumination. There'll be constant illumination. So once they've dismounted, that is. I'm not gonna fire illumination over moving vehicles, but you know.
They've got lights.
Burn, how copy of it?
Yeah. You on the 343, yeah, mate?
I'm on the 117 channel 1.
Alright, copy. Hang on, I'll switch over now. Hang on. They look like right. Hang on, let's have a look now. These ones here. These are illumination ones here. Alright, yeah. Alright, again, they're probably quite heavy. It's a shame you can't just load a Paladin.
Radio check.
I'll be gutted if I find that you can. Alright.
Radio check.
Hello, who's that? Oh, hey man, you alright? We're loading illumination runs in, hang on, it's going to take us a while.
I have one question, do you lot have night vision anywhere on this server?
No, where the round is going to end up, you know.
So basically
Alpha, you can take point here, and just take us up to the exit of the FOV here.
Okay. Alright,
Can I run?
Alright, we're up to 20, that's pretty good, man. I'll load these last two in, but
Yeah, because I got one more on me.
Alright, okay.
Alpha's waiting at the entrance.
Oh,
yeah, copy, we're in behind you. Where are we going to? Yeah, wait one. Copy. Read you 555 of it.
Have any of you taken IR strobes?
We've got IR strobes on our heads due to that mod.
Oh yeah, well done, man. Good work with the mod, by the way, Milky. That's really good. Bringing that mod to our attention. The IR strobes on head.
The guys packing.
All assets, so we close move out of it.
So you just said they've got IR strips on their head, so yeah. Okay.
That's good, man.
Alright, mate, 25. That's plenty. That's plenty for now. Let's have a look at high explosive and HE. Yeah, 10. That's fine. Mate, we're good. We're good here.
All right, Alpha team, take us out of the base here, going W speed. We're taking a left turn and then another left immediately onto the dirt road. Yeah, copy. I see the path you've marked out.
Okay, switch to channel 2 on the... Oh, nice, man. Classy. Yeah. It's awesome, isn't it? That's so fucking cool.
Yeah, I got it.
Right, yeah. Okay,
Eagle, this is Lightning. I'd like you to stay high up and scanning for targets and call us if there's any armoured or motorised contacts over.
Okay, right. They're talking to Eagle now. They're telling Eagle to stay high up in the air just in case there's any armed contact. So we should get ourselves ready to fire and shit, man. I'll get in the driver's seat and lower the spades, and then.
Oh, mate, the gun.
Yeah. Alright, mate. Okay, nice work. Alright, spades going down now. Okay. Commander seat it is. Let's turn out. Okay, mate.
Anvil, this is Lightning. Be on standby for illuminate.
Okay. Yeah. Sorry, mate. Just going to switch to the 117 now so that I can hear
That's
you.
right.
Yeah. All right. Alt Shift Q. All right. Use radio. Switch back.
You are clear to engage any threat that
Okay.
could be a major
Do me a
threat.
favour.
Thank you.
Do me a favour. Go to the map a
Yeah.
minute and look at grid 185125. It's
Yep.
the first objective town on their route. Can you give me the
One-
altitude, please?
185.
185125. It's like 866, I think, something like
Yeah.
that. Is that right?
Altitude will be 866.
Alright, yeah, okay, alright. Illumination.
Actually, I reckon no. Scrub that.
Okay.
Go for 86.
It doesn't matter. I mean, it's an illumination run, so it's going to be up in the air.
Yeah.
Lightning, you're clear on
864,
any
mate.
vehicles without requesting permission.
Right.
Over.
864, yeah? Okay, right, okay.
Yeah.
Right, okay, here we go. Okay, enter that shit in. Alright, okay, higher.
Anvil, this is Lightning. We're going to need illumination at Al Real in a few minutes. If you could sort out the shot and interrogative, what would the travel time of the shot be? Over.
Travel time on shot to. Can you give me the grid coordinates for that? I'll give you an exact figure then.
I have identified a
Yeah,
3 insurgents and
for
1
Al
technical.
Royale. Flight time is going to be 61.4 seconds. Confirm you read.
That technical.
Alright, Discord just took out a technical.
Nice.
Alright,
was
Lightning, can you confirm time until you require illumination on the town? Over.
Anvil, wait one.
Okay, I think we're.
God, could you hold fire on those targets you were shooting at? We're going to move through. Over.
Alright.
Anvil, it will be estimated time of 10 minutes before we arrive. Over.
Alright, okay. Copy that. Lightning, let me know if you need any illumination en route. Over. Okay, 10 minutes. They're saying 10 minutes till they reach the first town.
Anvil, this is Discord 1-1. Do you read me?
Yeah, mate, read you 5x5. Send traffic.
Lightning, I can get in a hold of Anvil.
Okay, yeah. What does he need? Oh. What does he need, mate? What does he need, mate?
Lightning, can you repeat that? Lightning, please repeat.
Alright, dude, I'm back.
Alright, hang on. We're getting a fire mission now. Hang on.
That's entirely possible. What do you want?
Why can't I not hear him? Hang on.
He wants the illumination on now, Anvil.
Okay. Okay, fire. Oakley, fire. Okay.
Fire. Gun away.
Okay, rounds away. Tell him 60 seconds till illumination. Over.
Rounds away, 60 seconds to illumination.
Right, basically we can't get like Bolt can't get hold of us, so he's being like relayed through Lightning, through Discord basically. Which
Nice.
Anvil, I should relay on from Lightning that you should continue to illuminate for the next 5 minutes.
okay, right, copy that, mate. Cheers for the heads up. Okay, in another minute and a half, so 90 seconds from now, we need to fire another round. So reload, mate. Reload. I don't know why Bolt can't reach us because it's like it might be the hills. It might be Cobra was right that the hills are obscuring the transmission.
Yeah, but they weren't on the other. Our practice range.
Yeah, that's a good point. All right, fire again now, mate. Fire again.
Dude, I
Should
can
it go explosive
fly,
or
shouldn't
machine gun?
All right, reload, mate. Reload. Sorry, what were you saying, Oakley?
Okay, you want me to reload?
Yeah, reload. Yeah.
I say,
Discord.
it
Can you
needs to be
confirm illumination is good effect? Over.
So it's like
Anvil, the illumination is good effect.
Right. Now start the timer now then, basically, and reload. That's it.
I say, how long does it take the rounds to get down range?
60 minutes.
there's
60 seconds. So.
As far as I can see.
So, but they only last 2 minutes or so. So we need to give them constant illumination. We need to fire one every 2 minutes, basically.
You are, though, having hostiles moving up on you.
Yeah.
Alright, mate.
I'll-
Once I've got down to 10 rounds,
Yeah.
I'll let you know.
Alright, yeah. Once we do that, I'll jump out and start loading rounds in.
You want to do it at 10 or 15?
We'll do it at 10, because that gives 10 is 20 minutes worth of illumination, which is plenty of time to load rounds in, you know. So if they request a fire mission, right, it'll probably be something quite pinpoint, and we'll probably load the GPS rounds.
We've only got 2 of those loaded.
I know, but it's like, yeah, well, the good thing about those is if he uses a DAGR to give us the target coordinates, then it'll hit probably first time, so.
All fucking close.
Yeah. Alright, what's the timer right now, mate?
30 seconds.
Okay. Don't worry about fire order, just fire when it was 0 and reset.
Yeah, no, dude, I've got everything set the same at zone 2,
Nice.
61.4.
Nice.
So have they said anything about the illumination?
Yeah, they said it's good effect, yeah. It's like, so we're on target, basically.
Hopefully they want to call us in some strikes.
Yeah.
I can see enemies engaging. You want me to
Although
take them out?
with the Apache up there, I don't know, because it's like the Apache's got a lot of firepower, so.
Lightning shot. Oh, well, never mind.
I think what just happened then was that Discord was on radio saying, should I ask for more illumination, and our round arrived literally then as it did.
Why? And they went, oh,
he goes lightning, should I? Oh wait, never mind. How much time we got left now, mate?
40 seconds.
Okay. So they were Al Real now. They got 2 more objective sites and a third, and then another objective to clear. Look at the map. I'm looking for hilltops that we could. Oh yeah. Go ahead. Okay, right. Looking at the map now for hilltop locations that we could be airlifted to get better radio. Yeah. Technically, I mean, they Mike 1 maybe, but it's like way out of the way. Like the best one would be.
I see you guys took some casualties.
Punta Cuervo would be the best one to take if we go to. It's tiny, it's well defended, it's easy, and it's like it's inaccessible basically almost.
Yeah,
so
about to
it'd be a
fire.
good What's the time right now? Yeah.
30 seconds.
Okay.
I'm actually going to fire it early, mate, because of
Yeah.
pissing around.
Alright.
I'm going to fire it now.
Well, okay.
But how copy?
Yeah, I'm at 5.5. Listen, remember to keep firing on the timer.
What?
Not you, Black.
Sorry, Discord, I'm currently in control of the gun as Burn is currently loading us up.
Let me know when you're firing, I'll jump back in, and then I'll jump out again, right? But you've got to keep firing on the timer, so...
Yeah, no, dude, I've got a minute left.
Okay, right. Let me know when you've got like 10 seconds, I'll jump in.
Alright, mate.
That area is more than empty.
30 seconds anyway, dude.
Alright, yeah. I've loaded a few more rounds in anyway.
That's fine, yeah, we're up to 25 illumination.
Drive up one of the hills.
Yeah, we could
We
actually.
could drive to the south, right? Get to a hilltop at like spot height 890 or something like that. It's kind of.
Yeah, and have you not noticed, mate? If I drove close, look behind us.
What behind us? What?
I accidentally
Oh, yeah.
because the gun's elevated. I've knocked out the.
Oh yeah. Oh, I did. What?
Sorry, I was to relay this earlier. I didn't realize. Anvil 1 is off station temporarily.
Yeah, mate.
He's moving.
I'm just concerned that there's a river.
No worries, man. You're doing
Between us
fine.
and
You're
the
doing fine. Okay, right. Keep moving.
There seems to be a lot of enemy activity on top of that
Oh, so
roof
you
right
downloaded
there to
the-
the east of the UAZ.
Apparently so. Yeah. I don't remember doing it, but.
Possibly.
Yeah, it's climbing. Dude, by the way, did you disengage driver lock? Okay, cool.
Yeah.
No.
I just thought.
Okay.
Otherwise, we wouldn't be
On
able
my
to drive.
mark, just head direct south. Okay.
Yeah. Mate, have you looked back at the base?
Oh, what?
Mate, it would have been fucking impressive to have someone up
Yeah.
there
Well, it looks nice,
looking
doesn't
down
it?
whilst we're firing. See the crest.
Okay. Yep. Here you go. Right. So when we reach the crest, we'll just stop at the crest and try and set up to provide fire. Okay. Actually, right. When you get by here now, right on my mark, turn direct east. Keep going.
Yeah, I'm just going to do some
Oh,
gardening
nice,
in a second.
Yeah. Yeah, make us a good firing location. I keep forgetting as well. We can clear LZs, can't we? Yeah, just knock a few of them, knock a bunch of them down. Yeah. Mate, if I jump out, I'll jump out quick and get my flashlight on. It'll give us some extra light. Hang on. Right, hang on. So yeah, knock over these ones. Knock over these here.
So I actually stop about.
Yeah.
Here?
Okay, right. Okay. And engage driver lock when you do stop. Let me get to the FCS and see if the gun's level a minute. It should say if we're level or not. I think we're okay. Okay. Put the driver locks on first, though, mate. Okay. All right. 19551178. Altitude is 742. Okay. Illumination. Yeah. Enter. Okay. Firing solution. Time of flight. It's gonna be 60.6. Fuse zone 2. Okay. There you go. Alright,
Nice.
okay. Yeah, fire when ready, man. Remember to set timer after you fire as well.
Oh yeah.
Oh wait, no, don't fire, the gun is laying, Hang on. It's taking forever,
no.
I don't know why.
I should have turned around the gun.
Yeah.
Tank.
Alright, there you go. Alright, fire when ready.
Firing.
Illumination away.
You know what's going to happen if they see us this close?
Oh yeah. Well, I'm just gonna say that we literally can't get anyone on the radio, so you know we need to move closer. They've cleared this road. We know for a fact this road's clear, so you know. All
Roll
call
up,
signs.
roll up,
This is
right.
Anvil. I'll copy over. Good mate. Right, that's it. We got so far to go.
We've got a long way to go.
We got a long way to go. Yeah. All call signs. This is Anvil. I'll copy. So our current altitude is 724. Well, turn.
Fuck's sake, yeah. Yeah. I will turn
Yeah.
right and then correct.
Yeah, mate. Whoa, we got a wrecked vehicle there. Guessing that wasn't a Humvee, was it?
Pass, hang on.
Have a look. No, it's a Land Rover, it's fine.
Fucking have you seen the drop off
I
to the
haven't,
left?
no, I can't see a fucking thing. So,
Mate,
is it quite a drop, is it?
yeah. Put it this way, don't want me to go over there because you're going out.
Yeah, alright. Shit, man. All call signs, this is Anvil, have copy. All call signs, this is Anvil, have copy. They'll get pissed.
This is code 1-1. We just finally made contact with you after a while. They need illumination
I heard a
and
little cannon.
objective 2. I think.
Yeah, mate, that's a...
They
Okay.
need light on Marmaka.
Marmaka, we need light on Marmaka, so... Okay, copy mate, copy, we'll illuminate now, over. Okay mate.
Lightning 1. We just got contact with Anvil
We
and they're
leveled
illuminating
it.
now.
Illumination, alright, I'm going to set up the FCS, yeah, jump in the seat mate. Put the...
Getting ready to fire, mate. We're in like 10, 9, 8. Ah, firing.
Alright, good shot, man, good shot.
Firing.
Okay, driver lock is engaging, and we're moving.
What is it? Minute 15. Loading now.
Sorry, mate.
I'm
Alright.
just loading.
Bear in mind,
1 minute.
right, I'll stop here, right. Bear in mind, the thing might have changed the...
Yeah, dude, if I load with it being under a minute, it's
Okay,
fine.
right, okay, so we've got the same coordinates, yeah, same thing. Alright, let's enter, set firing solution is 61.4 this time, so the fuse is going to be different, basically. This fuse is going to be 61 seconds now. Okay, laying. Okay.
30 seconds.
Alright, yep, copy. We are almost on target, almost. Hang on, it's laying now, it's laying now. Alright, it's laying, it's laying. Okay, you can fire when ready. Alright, fire. Alright. Engaging driver lock, moving.
You actually, you've done the driver
Yeah,
lock.
it's fine. You hear that? That's a cool sound when it started up though. It sounds cool when it starts up. The engine, that's cool.
Yes, I think.
Alright, let me double check.
I like,
Right,
mate,
right.
when it goes
Yeah,
up the hill,
right.
it was proper, not screaming, but
Like growling, yeah.
making, yeah, I will get up this fucking.
Right, let me know when the timer reaches like 30 seconds again.
I'm just let you know when it takes 45.
Sure, right, yeah. It won't take us that long to set up, but okay, but...
I will try it. 30 seconds.
Anvil, what are you doing all the way out
Getting
here?
it,
We are
east.
re-establishing radio contact.
Understand. We're on our way back to the field, so yeah.
Be advised, we're firing rounds every 2 minutes at the objective site, so don't fly between us and the objective site, over.
That's an affirmative.
Right, let me know it's in 30, mate.
You got 10 seconds.
Copy, okay, right, I'll stop now then. Okay, driver lock, mind the seat. Fire control, laying in grid. Okay, hang on.
Sorry, never
Firing solution is 60, so it's basically 62 seconds exactly, laying gun. Zone 2.
Yep.
Okay, right, it's laying now, laying. It's laying, it's ready to fire, mate.
Firing.
Nice.
Oh, so we
Right,
need
two.
45 seconds.
Alright, 2, engage driver. Okay, 45 seconds, got it. Slow pads.
Anvil, this is Discord. Could you tell me what objective you're firing at? Because, well, Eagle wants to know.
We are firing at the objective 2 that you told us to. I don't know the name of the town, but we're firing at objective 2, over.
So you're shooting at Mamaka?
That is correct. That was the last instruction we received from you, was to shoot at Mamaka, over.
Great job then.
Laying now, right, 62.6 of zone 2. Alright, it's laying. It's stuck on like the current direction. It's switching, like, it's like 1 mil, so you can fire, it'll be fine.
Fire.
Okay, right. Driver's seat, let's go. Oh.
Yeah, because I guess for us, mate, 1 mil isn't that. It's a big deal, but
Well, it's not with illumination. It's quite like with an actual high explosive round, you know, a mil can make a difference. But it's not like you've got to be in, right? It's not a mil as in like 41, 42. It's I'm talking a mil as in like 4101 and 4102. So it's pretty fucking fine for kind of, you know.
50 seconds.
Okay, copy. Hold in. Engage the driver lock. Let's see.
45.
Flight control. Entering coordinates. Setting. Alright, when it's done that. Alright, setting firing solution. Alright. 62.7 laying gun. Zone
Right.
2. Gun is lane.
Right.
Right, fire
Loading
ready.
now.
Alright. Let me know when you're
Preparing to
firing.
fire.
Okay.
Firing.
Okay, let's engage the driver lock. Engage the driver lock.
40 seconds.
Let's see. Okay, fire control. Entering grid. Setting firing solution, which is going to be. Oh wow. Okay. Oh, gun server still going off. What the hell? Clear. Okay. Enter. Okay. Firing solution. 47. 46.7. 46.7. Laying. Alright, we're laying in. Time like we've lost like 13 seconds of time of flight. So.
Firing.
Right. You should. Yeah. You had the what fuse did you set?
Zone 1.
Okay.
Put it this way. See, if you come... are you still on map?
I am still on map, yeah. I'm
On
not
map,
now.
mate, and see how steep this is?
Yeah, yeah. I can see
Yeah,
on the
we-
map now. It's ridiculous. It's
Yeah,
like,
we just come down the equivalent on the other
Yeah.
side, and that's where our power slip.
basically between the red lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, there's like 25 meter inclinations between the red lines, and yeah, it's ridiculous. We're going up every 100 meters. We're going up 100 meters as well. You know.
That's what, 45? No, that's higher than... steeper than 45, isn't it?
No, it is 45, probably
We
more or less.
would be able to climb at
What's
45.
our current? I'll check our current altitude. Hang on. We're almost at 1,000 meters now. All call signs. This is Anvil. How copy over? No, we lost him again. Alright, that's it, mate. Nice work.
Anvil, right on time actually. Lightning is asking for illumination on that Kenra something town that they're at.
Halt. Okay, copy. Discord, could you get Lightning to give grid reference to you that I can use then? Over.
You know, just can pull up to flat ground.
Okay, right, copy me. Yeah, could do that. Yeah, we're gonna get another illumination mission now. I don't show any the illumination at Kenik Maini or at the investigation site. Okay, right, get into the gunner seat anyway, mate. I'll turn the fire control now. Maybe between engage the driver lock.
Already done it.
Oh,
I
nice one.
meant that I couldn't hear it, and when I asked for you guys to repeat it, you did not repeat it.
Jesus. Okay, they're having a bit of communication issue. It seems like. We
Okay,
want
scratch
to-
the illumination, Anvil. Lightning is moving out.
Okay, copy that. Yeah, okay. I think they're RTV. I think they don't need illumination actually.
Roger that. Anvil, I am told to have you start shooting illumination at the investigation mark at this point.
Okay, yeah, copy that. We'll start firing illumination now. Over. Okay, we got illumination order on the investigation mark, so I'll get the coordinates for that.
Okay, Lightning, they're shooting at this point.
Okay, alright. So we're going for. Okay, alright. So 15920950110. Okay, engage. Yeah, working it out now, mate. Working it out. Okay, firing solution is 60. Right, we'll go with the 46. So 46.4 timer, zone 1. Okay, laying gun.
Ready to fire.
Fire, man. Yeah.
Round away.
Okay, rounds away.
Start timer.
Yep, set timer, mate.
We're moving into scout the area because I cannot see it from here.
You guys, let us know if you need to if you need adjustments on the illumination towards the town at all. Over.
Can you repeat that, Anvil?
Let us know if you need us to adjust the illumination towards the town at all. Over.
It's fine so far.
Okay. Copy. Let's say I'm trying now. I can't. Alright, I'll go clear the firing solution in a minute. Hang on. I know what's going on.
Investigation
Come
ring
back,
still
Gary.
looks clear so far.
1, 5, 9, 2, 0, 9, 5, 0. Okay, right. Altitude is 1103. Okay, I'm calculating now. Okay, right, yeah, I'm setting firing solution. Right, zone 2, no, sorry, zone 1, timer 46.4, sorry, 46.4, zone 1, laying
Loading.
gun. Okay.
About 4 armed
Okay,
individuals
gun is
in
laying,
the town
fire when
outside
ready.
the investigation ring.
Round up.
Good. Copy. Okay, let's shoot and scoot. Anyway, right, I'm gonna jump into the driver's seat and we might be able to cut that corner. Actually, I don't know because it's a nightmare otherwise. So mate, you're doing well,
Anvil, I'm supposed to ask from
Please tell me,
lightning
mate, you're
where
going
the
to
fuck
have
the
a nice
idiots are
driving
supposed to
as
be walking
another
at this point.
qualification.
Hang on. I'm sorry. Say again, mate. Whoa. Okay, that was fucked. Yeah, lightning. Sorry, Discord. Can you repeat last? Over.
Well, lightning was just asking as the morons they are, where they were supposed to go.
They're going to Camp Kino, which is approximately 1.6 kilometers to their southwest. Sorry. Whoa. Okay. All right, mate. This is you have to push through.
One message over.
You have to push through. Hang on. Send message, Eagle. Send message over.
Anvil Seagull, do you want us to land at Camp Kino as well, or do you want us to RTB at Camp Branca over?
I think you're probably better off RTBing to Camp Branca, given that I don't think there is much in the way of aircraft facilities at Camp Kino. Over.
Dude, I've got out as well, mate, because I just want to see why I'm not.
I go, mate. All right. There you go. Whoa. All right, dude, get in the driver's seat again, mate. Well, let's get this done.
Hey moron, I should be
shit.
asking if we're supposed to RTB or protect you.
At this point, you can stay and protect us if you want. Just do one last check of the town and check the whole road up to Camp whatever the fuck it was called.
All right, mate. Keep going.
Camp Kino.
Right, next turn, you've got
And then you can
100 meters from now, right? So start slowing. Go slow here, trust me. I know it's a pain, but it'll be worth it, trust me. Okay, here we go. All right, here we go. This is the bit, man. This is the turn. It's a right turn. It's like 90-degree turn, but it's like on a fucking weird downward slope. Do you want me to get out and light it? Do you want me to get out and light it for you?
Yeah, if you don't mind.
All right, hang on. All right, hang on. Alright, mate, okay, can you see, if you come forward, can you see the road there? There you go. Alright.
Anvil, morons are saying they want illumination.
Copy, okay. Yeah, we'll provide that now, hang on. Alright, we need to give illumination a minute, mate. Okay. Alright, can you give us some sort of grid or reference location, over?
We are actually RTB at this point.
Okay, Lightning, do you copy? Lightning, do you copy? Over.
Same target.
Oh, same target, okay, right.
Anvil, you just shoot at the same target again and hopefully use HE this time.
Can you confirm that was, they want high explosive, yeah? Put in, alright, let's sort this out. Okay. 40.2, zone 1, laying gun now. Illumination. Alright, guns lane, ready to fire, mate.
Firing. Round away.
Okay, alright, that's it, let's get moving.
I'm going to put travel lock on quickly.
Yeah,
'cause
copy,
it's
mate.
getting a bitch to.
Yeah, it's good, yeah, it's good, yeah.
Roger that.
Yeah, the turn, I mean, that dude, honestly, yeah, it's just... Oh, because if you misjudge it, you're going over that cliff, basically, you know, it's...
Yeah, I literally. The quickest way to move a vehicle is ram the fucker.
Yeah. Lightning, I'll copy over. Mate, sorry. Turn 90 degrees to your right. That's it, mate.
Yeah, I know, the road disappears. Like, fuck.
There you go. I'm trying to get him on the. Right, in about a kilometre, there's a T-junction. We're going to be turning left, I believe.
I'm just
Sorry? No, sorry, right. It'll be right from our perspective because we're coming down from above it. It's left on the map.
the next junction, turn right.
Yeah. Here we go, mate. Right turn, right turn.
So right, isn't it?
Right, is it? No. Oh, we've gone past it.
Oh yeah, we gotta go up this road, turn right.
No, this is the village, mate. This isn't the.
Yeah, but to get to the camp, we've got to go through the village.
Yeah, but it's not. There's no turns. Just keep following the road, man. Anvil. Lightning. I'm sort of starting to pick you up. I think. Can you repeat that, over? I'm starting to pick something up on the radio, like a little flicker.
I am. Ahead. Hey, Burn.
Guys, can you read me on the 148 over?
Anvil, this is Lightning. I'll copy of it.
Fucking hell, finally, yeah, mate, 5 by 5. We're literally like a couple of hundred meters away, we'll be there now, over. By the way, we did encounter some hostiles on the way here, just guys with AKs, nothing too heavy, over.
Copy that. That's probably the guys that ambushed us and we just left because we weren't in a position to take them out.
Alright, yeah, I'll copy that, guys. ETA is like 2 minutes, well maybe 3, over.
Priority message, over.
What, is that for us, over?
The message was, we found a mass grave in the investigation area on the way to Camp Kino, over.
Okay, alright, copy that, mate. Good work, good work. Okay, yeah, I noticed it marked on the map. Yeah, good work on finding that, over.
Anvil, we'll be waiting at the gate-ish for you, over.
Commander when he turns out.
Sorry, what's that, mate?
Your commander when he turns out.
I know, it looks all... Yeah, I know, it's like... It's because there's a gun, which you should be able to use, but you can't. And he sort of like leans past it, it's like...
Yeah, it's quite like, yeah, I'm just here for the ride.
Like, just chilling, yeah.
Oh, I see. Eyes on base. Eyes on camp, sorry.
Yeah, is he up on the hill, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. Oh, I'm going to go to W speed, mate. I don't want to run any civilians over.
Alright, copy. Lightning, we're just going to move at W speed, so we don't want to run any civilians over as we move through the town, over.
Copy that, Anvil. That sounds like a good idea.
There's a tractor, mate, on the right-hand side here, just be careful about that. I'm pretty sure because the other guys have been through, it's probably not an AED, but it's always best to, you know. Lots of civilians out and about tonight, isn't there? Shame we haven't got a forward, innit?
Oh,
Right,
yeah.
let's go.
Like the evacuate one going. That you get on the little birds.
Yeah, we could attach them. We could attach one to our vehicles if we want to. Might panic the civilians.
You want to go lights
I know
out?
what you're going to say. You're going to say this is full speed. No, leave lights on, man. Leave lights on. Let's arrive in style.
Did you want to? Oh, I was going to say, it's a shame if it was going to kill them all. Wasn't going to kill them all. I'd say, put smoke round it.
Yeah.
Bye, party popper.
Okay. Shoot and scoot, man. Shoot and scoot. Well, at least we got one at Camp
I'm in a bit of trouble getting up that hill there.
Well, yeah, we got a fat ass.
I do got mine. Look at the commander on the side of it there.
Hey!
Look how lounged he looks.
I'm chilling, man. I'm just chilling.
He's so chilled out.
I'm chilling out, you know? It's been a nice, comfortable ride. Did we just run someone over?
Oh.
You didn't just run someone over, did you?
Best thing ever.
Nope.
Alright.
Yeah, okay. Whoa, watch it. There's some guy running up the side.
Don't worry, I'm fine.
Alright,
That
good,
is the
keep going,
best
keep going.
thing ever.
Where do you want us to
guys.
park?
Where's
Yeah, just take us into the base somewhere. Let's get somewhere in the base, mate.
One on the helipads?
Okay, alright. Just over where all the lights are over there, man. If you can. Who did I just run over, by the way?
Yo.
Yeah.
Got in the way. I told him to move and he got in the way.
Yeah.
He just need.
Right.
He might. Has anyone got bandages? Because
I might have.
Ian, he's got a backpack. I'll just get them out of there. Fuck it.
Examine.
He's not bleeding.
Does he need morphine? I'll give him morphine. Fuck it.
Yeah.
I'm
I'll
just
give
stealing
him
some stuff.
Yeah, steal. What, guys? Pick his pockets. Pick his pockets.
Okay, right. We were waiting for you to get here before we could do the debrief.
No,
He's
it's
only
fine, yeah.
people,
Well,
like, the two people that were like me and Bolt on either
Contact,
side.
contact.
what? Fucking hell.
Are you serious?
Ali, put it away. Put it away. Put it away. Ali, put it away.
Medic, can we check? Medic, can we
pretty
check?
sure
Make
he's
sure
dead.
he's dead. He's dead. Yeah.
Jesus Christ. I heard contact. Nah, he's got to be joking. Jesus Christ. Wait, is that another one? No.
Okay, right. Everyone, we're gonna have a debrief. Everyone, just stay where you are.
Someone turn those lights off though, because it's a bit
Yeah,
too
I'll
bright.
go and do it.
Well, the thing is, like, they were kind of, it's nice to have some sort of
Well,
light.
point them away from this direction. Just point them somewhere else, and then
Like
we're
with
right.
4 people, like turn them off.
How many people does it take to change it? Yeah.
Because I'm more
Right.
important.
Guys, let me explain. Can I just explain what happened with me and Oakley? Basically, we were given illumination. As you were getting further away, we just could not get radio contact even with Discord. So we had to move nearer, and we kept moving nearer. And by the time
Does anyone get anything to say? Oh, yeah, Curry, debrief.
Great, yeah, great.
What do you have to say about tonight? Who's that? Yilkis, get in the line, please.
I have something to say.
Yeah,
Wait
just
your turn.
wait your turn.
Okay.
Yeah, for the time I was there, you guys did really well. I'm sorry that I had the power issues that I did. We had a big windstorm here.
Alright.
Um,
Yeah, that's cool. You know,
I want to
sorry,
know
it's
what
just-
happened in the moments immediately after I got disconnected. Like, pretty much, I fired the Mark 48 twice, and then my power went out.
Okay, basically, what happened was there was an ambush. Basically, there wasn't a lot of people, but it was enough for us to like get confused. And basically, you got killed. Is how we took it. And I took command, and we just pushed through and moved on to the next town. After that, we continued clearing towns. Once we cleared the next town, we went back to get the vehicles, and while we were driving back,
Is that contact? Is that fucking contact?
he's still alive.
Oh, dude, the video of that's gonna be amazing. Bolt, you just stood there talking. I just see someone running past. I'm like,
Anyway, let's continue with the debrief. Curry. After that, when on the way back from collecting the vehicles from where we left them, we were driving along, and we stopped because we heard a noise that Martin heard earlier, and it was the sound of flies. So we went to investigate, and it was a mass grave.
Motherfuckers are gonna die.
So somebody, whether it is the government or it's the guerrillas or it is the enemy, that somebody has been committing serious war crimes, genocide.
Mass
So
That's
well,
mass
obviously not.
genocide. It's not just genocide, it's mass genocide.
Done that, we just swiftly moved on because we didn't want to be around that anymore. It's pretty fucking grotesque.
yeah,
So we
yeah.
moved straight
Yeah.
up here at E-speed up to Camp Kino, and then been waiting here since. Let's just carry on with the debrief, please.
Yeah, sure, yeah.
No, okay.
Cody, do you have anything else to say? Improvements and criticism-wise?
Hopefully a lot of the radio issues will be sorted soon, because I'm gonna get a new computer at some point in the future. So that
Yeah.
won't be a frustration anymore for some of you guys,
And-
Martin in particular.
And guys, yeah, I should have probably foreseen the radio issues with reaching Anvil tonight. So yeah, apologies about that as well.